hello to my little friend, my barkeeper's friend. I'm going to use this on my wheel on my boat. As you can see, it's all rusted. And this just is caused by the boat sitting in the salty air. There's spray, there's just salt everywhere. Even if you don't get the actual wheel wet with salt water, it's still, things rust. Stainless steel is a misnomer. It's not stainless. It's, there's, as you can see, even the best stainless steel will get rust on it a little bit. So you have to clean it off, and you have to keep it nice. So I'm going to try my little barkeeper's friend and see how it works on this. I've used it on sinks for years at my house when I was a landlubber, and it worked great. I first found out about it because my plumber who installed my sink recommended it to me. I had a really top-end, I still have a top-end LK sink. I don't know if I can say that, but that's what I had, still have it. Yeah, it works good. Look at that. It's come right off. And this stuff was great. It just did a nice job on the sink. It didn't scour the sink. And that was the powder type. This is a liquid type now. And it has oxalic acid in it, which is what removes the rust. And so I'm just going to run along the spokes.
Will you do this one because that
Yeah.
one's really...
You can see where the rust came right off.
Yeah.
And then you have to make sure that you rinse these really well, because the oxalic acid will, over time, if it's left, it'll pit and make a mess of your stainless steel. So just if you use it, just make sure you rinse. Rinse. And I'm not really doing much, like really, I'm not, you know, there's not a lot of elbow grease required to do this right now. It's just coming off nice. I like this. This is good. It's really good. I like the way this is looking. And this is cheap compared to any marine products that you can buy that have oxalic acid in them too, specifically for removing rust. It's doing a good job. Clean that up nice. Do it right here a little bit. Rust gets everywhere. Could use this on the stanchions too. And that's mostly where it is, but I'll just run it along here. The wheel itself too. But there's not much. Just kind of a little bit of tarnish, if you will. Not really much rust on it, but we don't want it rusted. And that's it. That's it. The longer you let it sit, the oxalic acid is a weak acid. It'll make it easier for you to get the rust off, get the tarnish off. But like I said, you want to make sure you rinse it well.
Why?
Because it'll keep working. It'll keep removing, it'll start removing the stainless steel outer layer. It'll start pitting. So it's important. I've had that happen. Not with this, I used another product and I left it on there. I totally forgot about it. Didn't rinse it. And I came back, I don't know, a couple days later, a day later, and it was a mess. So now I'm going to rinse. Get it all off. there you go. Does a good job. Happy. I like it.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.